Today in this tutorial we will learn how function grows when input size grows using Matplotlib for data visualization. Here are two plots on different input sizes, and you can see here basically we are comparing two functions on any input n. I will use Spider, which is pre-installed in Anaconda. Additionally, many modules like Matplotlib, NumPy are pre-installed in Anaconda. We will also use these modules. Let's get started. Here is Anaconda. Basically, we will compare these two functions, this one and this one, on different input sizes. So let's start. Here is text editor. You can use any text editor. I am using Spider with Python 3.8. Okay, let's first of all we will use Matplotlib. Let's import it. Import matplotlib.pyplot. Pyplot is PLT. Okay, import import NumPy. We will use NumPy also as NP for stream of array. Okay, we will see later. Okay, now we need two functions which are here. This function and this function and this function. On any input device, on any input, we will compare these functions. Okay, let's define two function. Define function 1 and it will get parameter any number, and okay, now let's define another function. Define function 2. It will also get n, and it will return some data. Suppose to return to. Okay, let's execute it whether everything works. Okay, everything is okay. So now we have two functions, and we need input sizes different. So you can see here in this plot, here we have input sizes from 1 to 10 and 0 to 12,000. Okay, let's use a NumPy array for this. Here actually we will just declare n variable and also np, which we have imported here, NumPy. Now a range is used in list. We can use here a range. Okay, a range will basically give us a stream of array data from any limit, from any starting point to limit. We have here a starting point is 0 and 12,000. Okay, 0 and 0 is our starting point and 12,000 is our upper limit. Okay, now we can also pass another parameter, which is the space. You can think about it here. Here we have 0, 2000. Its increment is increment on each step by 2000. Okay, we have no need to do that. Let's go into plot. Okay, now we are using plot. We will call in plot. Actually, we can draw any plot for any data. So I hope you have some knowledge about drawing plot. Okay, let's input argument 1, which is n. Here we have defined. Okay, and the next one is scale x and scale y, which is actually this one. Scale y and scale x. Okay, let's input that. Here we will call function 1 to get data for scale 1, and we will pass n. Okay, n will send the data in streams from 0 to 12,000 range. Okay, let's our third one is we can define the plot color. You can do it in this way also, red, but in this way this is easy to remember and also better for understanding. Okay, we will use for one function one red color and plot plt dot plot, and again we will pass the number and function 2, function 2, and we will also pass n. N is basically our number of input, and again we can define any color for this one. Okay, C is equal to, let's define blue for this one. As in our graph, let's see which color is. Okay, red and blue, I think. Blue for function 2. Okay, this will draw a plot for us. Let's execute it and see what's going on. Okay, actually there is some. Okay, this draw a plot for us, but this is something that I think our data is not printing here. Okay, now we need some function here. Which function? Okay, let's see. Here in this one, you can see here we have n cube plus 2n square. N cube plus 2n square, and other one is 100n square 2 plus 1000. Okay, let's return it on function 1 call. Okay, we will return it here n square plus, okay, what was the input n square or input? Oh, n cube plus 2n square. N cube plus 2 into n and then n square. Okay, this was the input for our first function. Let's execute it. Okay, we get there. Okay, no issue. Let's go and implement for the second one. What was the function? Here 100n square plus 1000. 100 into 100 into n square plus 1000 n square. Okay, n square plus 1000. Okay, now what will this is for a red line and this is for blue line. This will draw red line and this will draw this will draw blue line. Okay, let's run this. Okay, we are getting this. Actually, if you see here on the plot, our x-axis values go down. Sorry, y values go down and x values are go up in y-axis. We can fix this by using function which are in plot.ylim. In this way, we can also set the limit for y and x-axis. Okay, we will do one extra for this one because this will limit if we will use 12,000, this will be considered as less than 12,000. Okay, if we use 12,001, it will be 12,000. Okay, let's plot dot xlim, and again, what's the limitation of our xlim function? 10, 1 to 10, and 12,000. Okay, 1, sorry, 1 to 10, 1 to 10. Okay, let's run it and check it. Okay, this is perfect. And let's compare it with our function. Okay, you can see here on the input size, this is actually same. Okay, I hope you understand this, how you can do that. If you have any query or problem, let me know. I'll try to help.